Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Before we start our lesson for today, may I ask someone to lead a prayer?
Ma'am.
Yes, King Jasper.
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, amen.
Our lesson for today is all about correcting knowledge on sound symbol correspondence. So first, what do we mean by knowledge on sound symbol? Knowledge on sound symbol is the ability to listen to the sound in words, then write down the letters for those sounds. First, I have here the letter F, L, U. Can you read it?
F,
H,
L,
L,
U,
U,
flu.
U.
Yes, this word is not pronounced as flu. It is pronounced as flu.
Simply because, according to the vowel rule, if the word ends with a single vowel, it is usually accepted to have the long vowel sound.
So now, let's proceed for our next example. I have here the letter
B,
B,
A,
A,
T,
T,
bat.
bat,
and letter C, U, and P. Can someone pronounce it?
C,
C,
U,
U,
P,
P,
cup.
cup.
I want your class to note that a single vowel in the syllable usually has the short vowel sound if it is not followed by letter R, W, or L.
Let's have another one. I have here the letter Y, E, A, S, and letter T. For the next one, I have here the letter C, R, and letter Y. Can you read it? Volunteer. Okay, go ahead, Christopher.
Yeast,
Yeast,
cry.
cry.
Very good.
As you notice, they are both considered as a single syllable, and Y at the beginning of the word has the Y consonant sound like ye, ye, as in yeast. At the same time, the letter Y at the end of the word that is preceded by a consonant, Y usually have the I long sound, as in cry. Another one is the difference between bit and beat. According to the vowel rule, when AJ, AY, EA, EE, and OA are found together, the first vowel is usually long, while the second letter is usually silent.
Now, we have the word row and now. They both have only one syllable, right? Yes. So, can someone give an example?
Ma'am,
Yes, King Jasper.
no, cow.
In this case, the vowel pair O may have either the sound heard in low or heard in grow.
Now, we have the word food. And we have the word cook.
F, O,
O,
O, D. Food.
food.
C,
C,
O,
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 K. Cook.
cook.
Very good. The U sound can be pronounced as food or short as cook.
And now, for our last example, they are both consist of one syllable. And they both have a vowel A. This is the ball and draw.
The word ball can be pronounced as ball and ball, while the raw can be pronounced as raw and raw. Any question? Okay, none. For additional vowel rule, if A is the only vowel in a syllable and is followed by letter L or W, then the letter A usually neither long or short. For an additional information, when AU, AW, OI, OU, and OY are formed together, they usually blend to form a diphthong.
BALL and RAW. Can you read it?
Ball.
Raw.
Rock.
Very good, class. So that's all for our today's lesson. I hope you can use what you have learned today in our discussion. Goodbye, class.
Bye, ma'am.